Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay y'all, today is Saturday, May 18th. Oh, it's May 18th, Haitian Flag Day. Happy Haitian Flag Day to all of my Haitians. But y'all, right now I'm getting ready to go to brunch. I just did my hair. I did some crimps with some dramatic edges. So now I'm gonna do my makeup and I'm gonna get dressed. So this is gonna be like a little mini get ready with me. I already did my hair stuff off camera because that was gonna take me way too long. So I'm going to brunch with my friend Jazz, which is very much needed because I just been in this room all day, every day, going crazy, just doing schoolwork, and I need to get out. So yeah, my outfit is really cute that I plan on wearing. So hopefully I get some cute pictures. Hopefully I don't forget to take pictures. All right, first thing first, put my hair back a little bit. I'm gonna moisturize my face a little bit. Y'all, I just did my lashes too. Every time I do my clustered lashes, like, it be giving fresh off the table for real. Because you cannot tell me what. I'm using the Pond's face cream. It's really good. I've been using this lately. And then I'm gonna go in with my little recipe. Add that to my face as well. On my hair first. And then apply it to my face. My handy makeup bag. And y'all, it's currently 12:16. I gotta be ready by 12:45-ish, 1. So I have a little bit of time, but not that much. Go on my primer, my e.l.f. primer. Just put a dot. I love this primer down. I really want to try their new setting spray, because if they can make a good primer, I know the setting spray is good. And I'm gonna have to get it and try it and review it for y'all. Period. All right, now you already know the drill. I'm going with my Too Faced concealer here. Nose, upper lip, chin, forehead, spot conceal. And that's pretty much it. I'm so good at like doing my makeup routine now. Like, it really don't take me that long to do my makeup. So now I'm gonna grab my brush. I use a small brush to blend out my concealer. Is this my concealer brush? I was just playing Party Next Door. I love that new album, but I had to pause her because I had to start recording. But I listen to that whole album like every day, like non-stop, no skips. It is too good. Period. I would never ever. I'm so scared to try like a new concealer because Too Faced does it for me every time, y'all. Like, I do not know another concealer as good as this, and it's like full coverage. If y'all know a better concealer, please put it in the comments below, because I would really like to try a new one, but I don't know. I gotta stick to my holy grail. I'm gonna use my cream bronzer, which is just a dark concealer. Come on now. I should know. Y'all should know this by now. Forehead, here, nose, here. And then blend. Now I'm about to add my cream blush. And this is Rare Beauty Bliss. And I add this like twice because it's not that pigmented. So that's layer 1. Layer 2. And I blend upward and kind of like in towards my eye. Cute. Really cute. Cute. Okay, now I'm going with my other cream blush, my violet cream blush. Then I'm gonna add some on top of this. So yeah, I used 2 cream blushes, 1 pink and 1 violet. Now it is time to bake all of this. Not bake, but set all of this using my powder puff. Powder puffs make so much of a difference, I've noticed. Cute. Yeah, you guys know a pet peeve I have. It's like no wrong or right way to do makeup, but I hate when I see people mix like wet and then dry products. Like if somebody would have set their makeup with powder, right, and then go on top of it with like a cream blush, like I don't know why, but that like irritates me so bad. So I thought the powder was to like set all of the wet products, you know? Either way, there's no wrong or right way, but still, like, that doesn't make sense to me. And then we're gonna do down in the middle of the nose. And then our jawline. Other eye. And I really like press my setting powder in. Okay, now I'm gonna take my bronzer. Okay, so now y'all, I'm bronzing my forehead and basically using this bronzer, this pressed powder bronzer to look, you know, wipe away that setting powder. Oh yeah. My contouring with a small brush, and I'm gonna go over my nose with the same pressed powder. And I'm also doing my eyelids. Boom. The lashes are so bomb, y'all. It looks like I literally have a first set. Like, I'm obsessed. Like, what? Okay, maybe I need like that much, but. Alright, next thing, we set. Using our e.l.f. setting spray. I don't know why, but I always do my brows last. I'm gonna use this Kosas Air Brow gel that I got as my Sephora gift, if you remember from my last vlog. I'm gonna use this to brush out my brows, and I'm just gonna fill them in. Nothing too crazy. Cute. Cute, okay. And then okay, good. So now I'm gonna fill in my eyebrows just a bit to make them look more fuller. I don't know why, but I really don't like outline my brows anymore. Like, I really just I brush them and fill them in, and that's all they get out of me. So now I'm gonna go in with my Dior eyeshadow. Y'all know I love this eyeshadow. Do a little bit of red. It really just makes the makeup pop. Use a bit of mascara. My under eye on my bottom lashes. Cause every time I do my mascara, like I always mess up or put a big glob somewhere just like that. Okay, so now I'm about to add a little bit of blush. Y'all gotta start hurrying up because it's almost about time for me to be ready, and I'm not even in my dress. I'm still on my face. So I'm about to use my Dior blush and just go over my blush. Really quick and cute like that. Now I'm about to outline my lips. I really need another Tower 28 pencil, y'all. This one is getting small. And I really don't know any other lip line better than her, so I really need to get another one from Sephora. Real quick and easy, just like that. So y'all, the bad part, I ran out of my favorite lip gloss that I use for my lip liner. I mean, that I use for my lip combo. So I'm gonna try something new. I'm about to try this, putting like my cream blush. As a base, let's see if that works. It actually doesn't look bad. It's giving me like matte lip though. So I'm gonna go over it with my Dior lip maximizer, like I would usually do. Okay, that's not bad. Okay, now I'm gonna go around the edges with my dark lip gloss. I'm gonna use my Fenty Beauty Heat in Hot Chocolate. This is taking it. I really want to try the Fenty Beauty lip oils too. Y'all, I really need to go like makeup shopping. Like I need to get so many products. That is really cute. That is taking it. And then Beauty Marks. Y'all, that lip combination actually ate. I use my cream blush. It literally looks the same, period. Any pink lip gloss with the brown liner is a bomb lip combination. Alright, boom, I just added my finishing touches. Now, let's get dressed. Yeah, this is an outfit from Pretty Little Thing. This is what I'm wearing with this headband. And then I might wear my platform slippers, or I might wear my Tory Burch slides. I don't know. I'm gonna put it on and then figure out what I want to do. But I don't know. We're gonna see. I'm gonna try it on. Let's show y'all how it look. All right, y'all. I really have to go, but this is the final outfit. Like, what do you guys think? The shirt is a bit much, but it's cute. It's cute. This bag with these earrings and this headband, I think it's cute. Is it taking it or what? All right, y'all, so I'm gonna go, cause it is almost about time for me to go. I'm gonna go to my friend's jazz room, and I will see y'all in a minute. Hey y'all, it's a couple of days later, and right now I am getting ready to go to the beach with my friends. I did my hair yesterday. The curly flip over is back. Do y'all like it or what? But anyways, I was doing my my lip combo. I just gotta outline my lips with this brown. I'm not doing like no makeup because it's like we're going to the beach and then it's like hot outside, like literally it's been scorching hot. That's why we're going a little later. It's currently like, where's my phone? It is 3:02. I gotta leave around like 3:30-ish to go to her house. and we're gonna drive to the beach from her house. But yeah, guys, I've been living for this hair lately. Like, I just love the curly look. And also, I don't know where this bikini is from, but I've had this bikini for like 2 years, y'all, and it's crazy. I'm just now being able to fit it. Weight gain is going crazy. I swear, when I tried this bathing suit on like 2 years ago, like, I was literally so disgusted by how it fit, like, because I was skinnier. But now it fits perfectly. So yay to me. And I just put mascara under my freaking eye. Hold on. I'm gonna bring my camera. I'm gonna vlog for y'all, because I literally have been slacking with my vlogging. But it's because, like, I really don't have anything to make videos about. I've really been in like a brain fog-ish kind of, because I haven't been knowing like what kind of content to make on my channel. So yeah, I'm gonna get that figured out. I literally just been recording and putting clips together, but I gotta get more organized with my YouTube channel and figure out, like, you know, what next. But anyway, I'm pretty much ready. That's all I'm gonna do. Maybe I can put like a little bit of blush, a little bit of cream blush, and that is about it. I really don't feel like putting too much on my face because it's too hot for that. And another thing, I really don't have any like SPF or like sunscreen, but like, I literally been, you know, dogging out every day, walking through this hot sun on campus, and I think I will be fine. Period. Okay, so now that I'm about ready, I'm about to pack my beach bag. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all what I'm bringing to the beach with me. All right, y'all, so this is the tote bag I'm bringing. My little furry tote. It's the only thing big enough, the only bag big enough I have. And in here I have my beach towel, my lippies, some gum. Not what's in my bag, child. If you know, you know. I have some cups, and I have my Lululemon wallet, and I'm also gonna bring my camera. It's gonna be in here, and also a charger and sunglasses. That's why I'm missing sunglasses. I don't really have a lot of sunglasses. Oh yeah, and I have some, this is hand cream, but I really need, this is hand cream too, really good. These are the only sunglasses I have. Well, I have some more, but these are the only ones that are like cute. What do you think? Yeah. Any of these. And yeah, that's about it. I have on these shorts and then my Tory Burch sandals. My room was a little messy, but girls, all right, I'm gonna go downstairs, y'all. Somebody had to call me and check me about my outfit, y'all. Cause they ain't playing with that. But anyways, what are you talking about? But now I'm in the car. I'm going to my friend's house. Hi y'all, so we just made it to Miami Beach. Hey, with Tasia, say hi. Hi vlog. Say hi vlog. But that's my friends Tasia and Naya. This is their debut on my channel.
Oh yeah, because you didn't have your channel when we filmed.
Right. This is y'all debut on my channel. Oh, there's a lot of people.
What?
It was like a bunch of white people. But anyways, y'all, we're on South Beach. It's still a little hot outside.
Shit, better than what I was doing before.
Yeah. So we got some pups, some chips. Bye-bye. And this is the beach, y'all.
Right here. Oh. It's on? I should have brought my wrist with that. Uno. I had Uno cards.
Oh yeah, you should have bought
What? Is it SRS? Bitch, you just texted me. You always doing that. You texted me, you called me to my YouTube. I said, is that shit say now? Is it SRS? No, it's what's that brand? Yeah, JBL. I thought that's what it was. Which one? It's Sony. It's Sony. It's not popping in. You gotta turn your YouTube on and hold the button.
What? Don't be late and have your baby. Pussy in the shot. Try to put it on, got a bag, but you look better with that plan.
They just wanna fuck with you, 'cause they know I fuck with you. If I put my trust in you, what will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight.
Look, you say you take someone white people.
Ooh, that was cute. That was cute. Yeah. Hi y'all. It is currently 12:48 a.m. literally late at night, but it is the next day and I am going. My boyfriend is picking me up because he just landed. He is home for the weekend, which I'm super excited about because I haven't seen him in like 2 weeks, literally since my last vlog. I haven't seen him since then. But they have a 4-day weekend, so I get to see him until next week. But yeah, I have my bags and I'm literally about to go downstairs to go see him right now. He literally just landed. His flight was pretty late because he literally had to fly here as soon as he got out of like training and meetings and stuff like that. So yeah, y'all gonna see him. Here he is, y'all, after he literally been talking junk to me last clip. Here you go, right here. It's hot outside. My camera getting foggy. Lock the door. He grabbed this, put it back there.
No damn pump.
Hey y'all. It is like a few days later. It is Wednesday, May 29th, 12:44. Today is my boyfriend's birthday, but sadly I cannot be with him. My last clip, y'all saw he came down here for the weekend. I didn't really vlog much because, you know, I was just enjoying the moment until he had to go back to training. We didn't really do much anyways. We were just chilling in the house, you know. We celebrated his birthday at home. But yeah, today's his actual birthday. I feel like I've been stalling, like I haven't been vlogging that much, so I'm gonna vlog today, and I think this is gonna wrap up this vlog because I just been prolonging this video for like so long. It's gone like weeks now. But right now I am on the way to go get my daily coffee. I'm trying some new coffee today, which I'm excited about, and I'm going to do homework on campus. This is the outfit. My boyfriend got me this beanie, so cute. This shirt y'all seen before, these pants, and my Marnie slides. This bag, or this tote bag. Yeah. Oh, can I have a bag? Okay, so okay, these are good. These are good. This coffee, but it's alright. I got this from Cinnabon. I didn't know they had like iced coffee, so I went to try it. It's alright. It's not my favorite. It definitely didn't come as I thought it was like, but I got coffee first. It's alright though, like it's very well. I drink it, like it's good. It doesn't look like coffee oil, but it's alright. But anyway, I can do my homework. As you can see, I have all these assignments that are not gonna get done themselves. So TTYL. Anyways, a few hours later, I'm in my bed. I just got out of the shower, watching Bridgerton. Y'all, I've been obsessed with Bridgerton lately. Like, this has been my show. But I'm about to wrap up this vlog and also wrap up my day. Like, the sun has drained me, like, and it's only 4:50, not even 5 o'clock yet, and I'm in my bed fresh out the shower, laying down, watching my TV, and chilling. And I'm also about to wrap up this vlog. Thank you guys for watching. Even though this vlog has been like all over the place and just prolonged, I'm gonna throw this video tomorrow. And until next time, guys, like, comment, and subscribe to see more of my vlogs. I love you guys always. And until next time, bye.